When it came the time to take our next step in our business, the logical step was to start designing our own pieces. So the way we see them, we see each one of them as a piece of art. So as a sculpture that you're having in your homes, we think that that's very important for our clients. I have an infinite passion for design. We wanted to make sure that we use the best material, that we use the best technique, the best craftsmanship. We found it here, we found it in Porto. All our furniture pieces are made with high quality, sustainable materials, handcrafted in Portugal and designed by us in Denver. So the result is a high-end furniture piece made to order exclusively for our clients.